Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Ashwin Padasalai. In the channel I am going to tell you about the mock test exam, about the mock test, advantages of the mock test and how a real exam environment will be for GATE 2021. Okay, because many people will get afraid of the examination pattern because GATE 2021 follows different examination pattern as you all are aware of it, and also it is a computer based exam. Many people are not aware about computer based exam when it is an OHP sheet format where you need to shade your correct answer, but in computer based exam it is really an hectic job. Let's get into the video. The entire video was done in English and not in Hindi. I have also uploaded the same video for Tamil, for those who are familiar with Tamil. Do watch, do check out that also. So this is the thing, you can get this GATE mock test link any websites. You can get this GATE mock test link. I just put GATE 2021 mock test biotechnology, where there will be link will be there, and you can click this page will get open. And also you can get this mock test link in IIT Bombay website also. Recently in Jan first week they had activated this mock test link. This mock test doesn't include question paper, the actual question paper for GATE examination, whereas it is just an GATE 2020 examination of biotechnology only. So once you are given a system name, you will get a page just like this. Here you will have the examination like GATE 2021. Here the organizing institute. Here your image will be there. Below to the image your name will be there and the subject which you prefer. Check all those things, whether the image is yours, the name is yours, your application number is yours, and the subject which you take is correct. And login ID, password. This will activated at the start of the examination. Until then you will have a time going on here. Okay, login ID is nothing but your password, but your application number. Your password is your date of birth. After that you need to give sign in, and this is at read the instruction carefully. You need to read the instruction carefully. Don't forget to read the instruction carefully. This is nothing but they are saying the entire duration of examination is 3 hours, and the calculator will be available on the top right side, and the clock will be set in the timer, and you no need to give a submit button, because when the time reaches to 0 then the examination will end by itself. The question palette is very important thing, because many people will click something wrong without knowing it. So I'll explain this clearly now. This thing means you need not visited the question yet. This orange color button says you have visited the question but you don't know the correct answer for it. This green color means you know the correct answer for sure, you know that's the correct answer, so you're clicking. People will get collapsed of this third one and fifth one. This fifth one, the question answer mark for review, means it's just like in 12th and 10th publication exam, where you will write your exam and your teacher asks us to just revisit your answer sheet whether you will leave some mistake. Just like that you need to answer and click mark for review, because the question paper may have 65 questions. You don't have your time to revise all the 65 questions at a time, and also among 65 questions you may try to give only for 30 question or 40 question. So click only those questions. It will be very helpful for very helpful for final marking review strategies. And this thing is that you have not answered the question but you have just marked for review. This says that you know the answer but you are not sure of it. So this mark the review for question may helpful for final thing. The next thing is that navigate your question, because you can enter this. Here the question palette will be there. You can directly click the question number and answer your question, or else you can navigate your question by clicking save and next. This will be here in the save and next, and mark for review and next and mark for review and next. Don't forget to click save and next. Only then your save and next will be given. And the procedure for answering the multiple choice question, so the question will be given and below to that there will be 4 options. You need to click only one option, okay, and you need to click the save and next option. If you are marked the wrong answer, means either you can deselect the particular option or you can give clear response. That's all. for NAT type of question, that is a numerical type question where you need to manually click the thing. Manually means they will give the virtual keyboard. Another thing I should say that in GATE examination, don't ever try to use the keyboard given for the system. You better use virtual keyboard and make sure of the wiring connection. Keep your legs properly or else it will lead to disconnect of your network and your entire exam will resume, so that you cannot be able to reappear or once again log in. It will create a hectic job. So aware of all those things, just use virtual keyboard given. And regarding the negative marks, you will get one mark correct for all those things. And this thing I'll explain before going for negative mark. I'll explain this thing. There will be two sections for GATE biotechnology. One will be for compulsory section, that is engineering mathematics. Another will only for your paper. If you are don't familiar or if you don't know any answer for engineering mathematics, don't lose hope or don't lose confidence. You go for this biotechnology paper and started clicking the option which you know, and then come for engineering question. You definitely know the answer. Okay, that's what saying. And the next thing is that negative marking. And this thing regarding the question palette, you will have 65 question. Among 65 question, there will be 100 mark. Consist of two section. One section will be general aptitude and another section will be 85 marks. General aptitude will consist of 10 question carrying 15 marks, and out of this 10 question, 5 question will carry 1 mark and remaining 5 question will carry 2 mark. The subject specific biotechnology will consist of 55 question. Out of this 55 question, 25 question will carry 1 mark, remaining 30 question will carry 2 mark. Okay, remaining 25 question to carry 2 mark. And this give a hint like candidate should use the useful data given in the question for answering the question. This means that in GATE exam, the question itself will have an answer. You need to read the question twice or 3 times to get the answer. Our question will be in multiple choice question where a single question will be asked, and below to that there will be 4 options. And next thing is that multiple select questions will be there where you need to select among 4 options. You need to select the correct ones alone. You should not select the wrong one. The next thing is that numerical type question, and after that this thing is for negative mark. For NAT type of question and MSQ type of question, there is no negative mark, even there is no partial mark. If for numerical type question for the particular problem the correct answer is 6.88, means you have written 6.73, means it is a wrong. They don't even give partial marking. Whereas for MCQ, for 1 mark question there is 1/3 mark reduction. For 2 mark question there is 2/3 reduction. Okay, and you need to check the timer that is running it, so that you can aware about it. And you should not carry chart work, graph sheet, book, paper, loose sheet and watches, pouch, calculator, electronic gadget, mathematical table. You will suggest to keep all those things in your bag itself, and it may lead to loss. So better avoid all those things. Even you should not have your phone in your pockets or any other Bluetooth devices. Okay, and once you have read all those things, you need to click this button, and you need to all this red color says that the computer given for you is working in correct condition. There is no any defect. That's why I'm asking you to check the computer before once you get a position in your place. Once you have read all those things, and you have to click I am ready to begin option. And once you given this is your time, this is how your question paper will be. Here general aptitude, here biotechnology. If you click this biotechnology, the biotechnology tab will open, and here you will have the marks for correct answer, and here you will have the marks for wrong answer, and here you will have the time left for the exam, and here you will have a calculator, and here you will have a question paper icon, and here you will have a view instruction. If you forgot any instruction, if you want to revisit the instruction page, you can definitely visit the instruction. And these are the question palette symbol. Here it will say how many question you answer, how many question you didn't answer, how many question you marked for review, and how many question you answer and mark for review. Okay, here you need to click every time you give a correct option, you need to click save and next. you should not click this submit button. Okay, the next thing, this is how. And that's all guys, this is how the mock test will be. The same video will also be uploaded in English also. Do visit those video. Thanks for watching my video.